The dawn of the event. A celestial realm awakens, bathed in eternal light. The grand arrival. A golden gate opens. The celebration begins. The dance of the angels dance, weaving patterns of divine light. The parade of stars, constellations parade, lighting up the heavens. The feast of eternal light, a feast of light where joy and unity reign. The heavenly fireworks. The sky erupts in dazzling celestial fireworks. The final benediction. A golden glow signals peace and eternal grace.